Comparison and contrast essay on technical education versus general education in Bangladesh. In Bangladesh, technical education and general education play distinct but complementary roles within the education system, each addressing different student needs and societal requirements. Technical education provides students with hands-on skills and training for specific careers such as engineering, information technology, and healthcare. This type of education is designed to equip individuals with the specialized knowledge and practical experience needed for immediate employment, filling the skills gap in various industries. Conversely, general education offers a broader academic foundation, covering subjects like literature, mathematics, and social sciences. Its purpose is to develop critical thinking, analytical abilities, and a well-rounded knowledge base, preparing students for diverse career paths and encouraging lifelong learning. While technical education can facilitate quick employment and stimulate economic growth, general education promotes intellectual development and social awareness. Both types of education face challenges in Bangladesh, such as limited resources and societal biases. In conclusion, while technical education prioritizes skill acquisition for targeted professions, and general education focuses on broad-based knowledge and critical thinking, both are crucial for cultivating a skilled and versatile workforce to meet the demands of Bangladesh's growing economy.